So, as you saw that, oh, I'm over here. Oh, I'm right there. Oh, I'm over there. Everything is now V-banded. So, we got V-band where the manifolds come to the X-pipe. That's a V-band. And then another V-band where the mufflers are at after the X-pipe. So everything is serviceable. So if I want to change it up, go to a different set of mufflers or do whatever, then I can just take the V-band off, do whatever. Or when I have the motor swap and everything done, and say for example if the mufflers are taking up like 5 horsepower, so I could just dump the muffler. I could just like, dump the muffler on your ass, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the setup for right now. For some reason, it is super hard to catch this exhaust. I'm having a stroke. It's super hard to catch this exhaust note. I don't know if it's just the weird deep tone that it has, but you probably can't even hear it in the video. Oh, I think it looks okay for right now. This is step 2. So we got the Borla Pro XS. I had these before, my Volkswagen RFP, and I really wanted the Borla stuff. So from the beginning, but I was too cheap, so now I'm paying for it. So I'm double paying for my exhaust, but whatever. But we V-banded it here, V-banded it here, just because we can, because it's badass. These are gonna sound hopefully not like shit inside. Stainless X-pipe, boom. These are solid. This is full 3-inch stainless X-pipe. Welded these on here, and then we tacked these V-bands on here. Oh, don't look at that gap. We gotta fill that gap. Oh goodness. Hello, you can see my finger. Hello. So same thing. It's gonna go there, there, and the V-banded mufflers right here. So I can move them, swap them, turn them, do whatever. And then maybe later on we can come out and do it over there. But yeah. God damn it, I can't drink no water. It's fucking welded right through my cup.
A bit of welding slag in there. That means we're gonna have to clean up some slag off of this, and that's it. So yeah. Ready?
Go for it. Oh, it's in my hair. It's in my hair.
I believe.
They actually look like dimes.
That'll work. Not bad for MIG welding's fucking stainless. No, you're right. Glad you're here.
We welded
You're gonna be making lots of noise, but nothing's gonna happen.
Correct. We doing shit.
We put a hanger together, and he just like put the fucking ground on the table so we could weld the hanger.
Definitely welded the fucking ground of the table. It's stainless too. All right, let's see if we can fucking lay another fucking little set of shades. This is gonna fucking get destroyed. Oh, it already is.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody. It's all good. This is trash, right? Okay. I mean, it's empty.
Did that coolant work? The one I gave you?
Oh yeah, it's wet. So I mean, that's, I assume that's like the only fucking, you know, whatever.
No, the deck school stuff?
Fuck. Yeah, I used it. I used the fuck out of it.
Oh, okay.
I put the whole thing in there. DJ gave me some too, but it didn't say deck school compatible. And then I made a post and put it on XJ Jeep or XJ Cherokee forums, and there was like 90 likes, and everyone had like their own comment. Everyone was like, "Oh, you're putting deck school in that? That's not compatible. Oh, you're gonna destroy your cooling system."
It's just everybody, and everybody wants to talk about it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. So then I went ahead and I posted, as soon as I saw that and like Matt do it, then someone was like, "Oh, his last name's Ford. He's bound to do dumb shit." And I was like, okay, I got something for your ass. I started looking at their profiles. I'm like, first of all, y'all look like a bunch of fucking virgins. I didn't say shit to them. I said, you know what? Instead of getting mad at these guys, I'm gonna post another. So I did the sidewall patch in my Jeep. So I put a picture of like the sidewall, like that had something poking out, and I patched it with like a little dick hanging out. They were like, "Oh my God, Eddie, patch the sidewall." Then I filled my washer fluid with like an old ass Rotella bottle. Like, it's just water. And they were like, "Is he putting oil in there?" Like, that's it. So now I'm spamming them with shit every day. So, that's it. I'm about to put like, I'm gonna do the front diff and like put a locker in, so I'm gonna shove like a banana in there or something and be like traction modifier or some shit and see what they fucking say. I'm just gonna spam the fuck out of the page now. Down to do dumb shit. Shut up, fucking virgins. God damn. Should be smoking cigarettes right now or something. Look at you.
Black and mild. Black and mild.
The difference too is like, this Cherokee is all you have. I don't want to be rude. I don't want to hurt people's feelings. Just leave me alone. You want to talk shit? You know what? I'm just gonna spam the fuck out of y'all. Then they start arguing with each other.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. It's like the blind leading the blind. There's always idiots arguing with idiots. One guy circled the back of the bottle that it says like, compatible for your vehicle. And he like circled it and he was like, definitely not. Well, someone didn't read the definitely not and was like, took his picture, copied it, tagged him in it. It was like, I'm just trying to help you out. Don't believe what the kid at AutoZone tells you. This isn't compatible. The guy's like, what the fuck are you talking about? They started arguing. They have their own like little side conversation going. It's so funny to me. You guys are all clowns. Ready?
Go for it. Now it's whole fill time.
Oh, that's pretty dope.